Hey YouTube, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today, super simple video. I'm going to show you guys how to delete your Instagram post on PC or on your computer or laptop. Super simple, easy to do. Before I get into it, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. So first thing you want to do is just navigate to your Instagram page. So you just go to your profile here. And then once you're on your page, what you want to do is just click on your post. You're not going to see any buttons here. You're going to click on your post. And then on the top right, where you're going to see are three dots. And once you click on those three dots, you're going to see this pop up. And essentially, you're going to just click on delete. And it's going to ask you to reconfirm. And you just delete it. And that's it. It's that simple to delete your post. Now, once you delete it, you'll notice that it's gone forever. Just make sure that, you know, whenever you delete your post, that you make sure you don't want it anymore. Anyways, guys, if you appreciate the video, please throw me a like and subscription, and I'll see you guys next time.